stop, pull away. What's happening, everyone? We're back today with another video on the ST. Today we're going to be trying to hopefully eliminating a horrible rattling noise whenever I pull away. It really frustrates me, and I'm just hoping it pisses off, really. I've had it after I did the power steering lines, and I was sort of trying on and off what it was, and then saw a video the other day randomly and it had the same noise, and a lot of people were recommending the belt tensioner for the drive belt, which is a bit annoying because when I worked for Vauxhall they had a similar issue of when you'd pull away the tensioners would rattle. So that's what we're going to be trying today. So yeah, let's just get to it. Okay, so we've got the car jacked up. You want to get this cover off here. So it's just a screw here and here. They're both a T30, or it does have a cutout for a flathead screwdriver. Not very tight at all. Okay, I just want to pull that cover out of the way. Okay, now this exposes our belt tensioner. Okay, so as you can see now, the belt area is exposed. We want this one here, just above the where the subframe sits, which is a 15mm by the looks of it. And you want to go like as if you're tightening. As far as you can go. I'm just going to pull the belt off of the crank and then release. Make sure you draw a picture of where your belt orientation goes. I'll leave a diagram up during this video anyway. Okay, so now that's off, we've got, by the looks of it, two 10mm bolts holding it on. One here and one just there above it. So we're just going to pull them off and hopefully we should get the tensioner out of place. Okay, they're both loose, so let's just undo it by hand. Oh. And slowly just tease it out. Okay, so that's the old tensioner. Doesn't sound great, I must admit. Look, just by tapping it, it sounds bloody awful. So let's get a new one. Give this one a tap test. Doesn't sound much fucking better, does it? Sounds like a hollow piece of shit. But if I shake, I can hear a rattle. Nothing on this one, so hopefully this will do the job. The only thing that worries me is how smaller it is. So they're giving me the right one. Okay, let's just go and put it on, see what happens. That's the ticket. So yeah, the bum of it just goes in, it's like a little cutout, and then just line up the two holes and she will sit there quite happily. At least the bolts have gone in a bit better than what they came out. One of them was quite stiff. Get me socket. Them up. Alright, that's all nipped up and ready to go. Now let's try and figure out what the bloody hell this belt does. Okay, so we've pretty much got it now anyway, so I'm gonna need 2 hands for this, so let's put you down and make sure you can see. Make sure it's all on properly. Looks pretty good to me. Okay, let's see if we've wasted our money and time. Well, let's see if this actually works, I guess. Okay guys, so just got back off a test drive and it is gone. Thank God. It is such an annoying noise. Literally, it'd be kind of embarrassing as well, like especially going through like a McDonald's drive-through or an underground car park. It'd be like all over the fucking place, and I'm like, oh, for God's sake, you got people looking at you like weirdly as if you've done ketamine in the street or something. I don't know, because like, you know, that's apparently normal, but your car rattling ain't. But yeah, I'm so glad that has been sorted. And hopefully this will help anyone else, because I know, obviously, I've seen like a few people who have sort of put the same symptoms up as this car, and especially that guy who put the video up, which had the exact same noise. He was like, oh, I still haven't found a solution to this or whatever. So I mean, this is ages ago. He probably don't even have the car no more. But hopefully, if some of you have encountered this issue now, you know how to fix it. It's just more frustrating for me because I used to drive so many Vauxhalls every day and you'd hear this noise, and where I haven't done the job in about 3 years, sometimes you just forget. But yeah, anyways, that's another thing ticked off the list. I've just been looking under the car. I need to give the fuck off. I just need to look under the car. I've got a few oil leaks and stuff like that we're gonna have to address, but being as it's getting a new engine, I don't really care no more. I'm just gonna sort of the only thing I do want to do is just keep the subframe nice and clean, because I've seen a few areas are starting to get a bit funny on it. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it was a bit dark and stuff like that, but it's probably the best time to do a drive belt because you can't see but shit anyway. But I hope it helps you guys in the future if you did want to do a belt tensioner and stuff like that. Anyways, guys, if you're new to this channel, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.